Miss Hake, and we're talking all about the digraphs OU, and last week we did OO, which was the UE. So you're going to get some work with the OU and the OO on it, and it's going to ask you to create some OU and OO words. So what can you see here? OU, the word was cloud, and so I decided to write all of my letters and create the O, a big puffy cloud. Fun, eh? And the OO word was glue. So I just used loose parts and I made a G out of Play-Doh, an L out of a crayon, a U out of some gems, and an E out of Play-Doh. So this exercise is going to ask you to create some words in a very creative way as well. I wonder what you're going to come up with. I hope you have a fun time listening for the OU and the OO. Good work, and I'll see you soon.